Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. As I am teaching you your ninth chapter, volcanoes, earthquake and tsunamis. Previously, I have taught you about volcanoes and their different types. These are different types of disasters occur on the earth, causes damages of property and life. So today I will discuss another disasters which occur on the earth, that is earthquake. So in this term, first of all we should know about what is earthquake. When two large pieces of the earth crust slide over each other, then it create vibration on earth surface. It give shock waves on the earth surface. Due to vibration on earth surface is called earthquake. When large pieces of earth crust slide over each other, then it gives shock waves on earth surface. Earth surface start vibrating. That condition is called as earthquake. It is also a disaster, and sometimes if earthquake is in major amount, it also causes damage in property and life. Earthquake occurs below the earth surface. Its origination point is below the earth surface. So the center of the origination of the earth below the earth surface is called as focus. Means focus is the point below the earth surface from where vibrations of earthquake start originate, and just above the focus on the earth surface is called as epicenter. Vibrations which is created in earth crust, that large pieces is called as tectonic plates, and due to vibration in tectonic plate, due to sliding of tectonic plates, shock waves are created. Those shock waves are known as seismic wave, and due to this seismic wave, earth surface start vibrating and causes damages in life or property. So this is earthquake. Focus is the origin point, and just above the focus on the earth surface is epicenter. So many times on the earth, earthquakes occurred. Some earthquakes were very dangerous, very damaging, as in 2001 in Gujarat, in 1991 in Uttarakhand, 2001 in Gujarat, and in 2005 in Jammu and Kashmir. Out of India, 2008 in China. So these earthquakes were very damaging. These were created very huge damage of property and life. So waves created during earthquake are measured in reactor scale with the help of device, and that device is called as seismograph. Waves created waves originated during earthquake is called as seismic wave, and the vibration, the measurement of seismic wave is obtained by device, means frequency of earthquake vibration is measured by a device that is called seismograph. Seismograph is a device by which we measure the intensity of earthquake. So this is also a very damaging disaster which is occurred without any prediction. Till now, our scientist has not gather any information before occurring of earthquake. So we do not aware about earthquake, and it occur sudden. So damage is very huge amount, but our scientists are trying to gather information before occurring of earthquake. So this is about earthquake, that is also a very damaging disaster. In my next lecture, I will discuss further about another disaster which causes damages on the earth. So for today, thanks. Have a nice day.